Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these carrot cake bars. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the cake. So to do that, grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your butter and your light brown sugar. Then beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This normally takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs, one at a time, beating well in between each addition. And repeat the process until you've used all of your eggs up. Now you can go ahead and add in the zest of one orange and just mix it in until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in all of your carrot and just mix this in on a medium-low speed until it's fully incorporated and fairly distributed throughout the batter. It doesn't take very long and you don't want to over mix it, otherwise you'll result in quite a dense and stodgy carrot cake. Then go ahead and give your bowl a quick scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any of those bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. If you're worried that your mixture is looking a little bit split or curdled, don't worry. Add in your flour, raisin agent, along with your ground spices, and just fold this in until it's almost fully incorporated. You should still be able to see small amounts of flour and the spices, but don't worry, once you add in your raisins and your pecans, you can then fold it in and it'll incorporate that last bit of flour and prevent you over mixing the batter. Just mix everything together until it's all fairly distributed throughout the batter. Grab a 9-inch square cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then go ahead and pour in all of your carrot cake batter into there, getting as much from the bowl as you possibly can, and just place it into your tin. Now you can go ahead and spread and level out the cake batter as best as you possibly can. I find that using a small offset or cranked palette knife works best. You can then place this into the oven and bake it off. All of that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested in making this. So for the cream cheese icing that goes on top of the carrot cake bars, it's very easy. All you need is icing sugar, soft cheese and butter. I simply place them all into a mixing bowl and mix on a low speed to start with. Once they're all incorporated, I turn the mixer up to a medium high and just continue whisking until it's fully combined. And you'll want to allow it to do its thing and become lighter and fluffier. Feel free to add in some orange extract as well. Here is what the carrot cake bars look like once they're fully baked and cooled. You can then top these with the cream cheese icing that you've just made, and then just spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. It doesn't need to be perfect, as these are meant to be a little bit more rustic, but feel free to decorate them however you like. I just finished with a dusting of some chopped pecans, but feel free to leave them plain or decorate however you like. So here are what the carrot cake bars look like. You can see you've got the cream cheese icing and the pecans on top. Then you've got a very nicely spiced and quite fluffy carrot cake studded with the carrot and the pecans. Again, you don't have to do this, but the pecans really do add flavour and texture. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.